Happy May the 4th, everyone! Welcome to Little Woods Art. I thought today it would be fun to draw Baby Yoda. So grab your pencils and paper and let's get started. First thing you're going to do is draw his head, which is kind of the shape of an oval or an egg. Okay, so draw that. Then we're going to, let's get his face on there because he's so cute. Come down to the bottom of your circle and you're going to add a little chin. Okay, and then we're going to add the eyes before we put the nose in. So the eyes, if you want to make it look like he has cheeks, draw two curved lines like that. And then go up. And then you want to leave some white reflected light. And then color his eyes in very black. Want those nice and dark. Now if you're not sure that's where you want the eyes, don't color them in yet. Just wait till the end. But I know this is where I want them, so I'm going to color them in so you can see them. Then for his nose, you just need to add a little, like a U. And I'm going to kind of give him a smiley face. Okay. And we're going to be adding some kind of cheek color in there, but I'll just shade it in so he has some cheeks. And then up here he has a couple curved lines on each side above his eye. Next we're going to go to his ears, so go to the top of his head, draw a straight line out, and then curve it back, almost like a triangle. But then at the end you're going to add a little kind of bump. And then inside his ear, he kind of has like this zigzag piece. Now, what we did on this side, we're going to do on this side. So come back over, straight line out, curve it down, do a little bump, then draw another zigzag line, kind of coming in like that. Good. Now I'm going to take my eraser, and I don't want this circle, I don't want a line where his chin is. So I'm just going to erase that. And fix his chin, make his chin a little bit smaller. Okay. And at the top he kind of has a little bit of hair, so I'm going to erase that straight line. And I'm just going to give him a little bit of hair on top. Nice. Now we're going to draw his little outfit. So come down to his chin and draw a diagonal line. And then on this side, you're going to draw a straight line across, down, and then connect this line with that short line. So it's at an angle. Then come over to here, draw another line, draw this a little bit curved, come down and meet that. Great. Now his hands are like three-fingered, so they're kind of like an upside down tulip. So you draw an upside down U, and then you want to give him three kind of pointed fingers. Okay. And I think it will help if we draw part of his ship. So we're going to draw a straight line connecting the fingers because the fingers are over his little floating crib. So we'll just draw this bar. So we have a reference point for the rest. Now his cloak, you're going to draw a line like this and a line like that, and then just draw some curved lines and connect it to his collar. So cute. Now I was looking at his ship and it looked like he had three little square buttons on here. So I added those. And we're going to draw a curved line for the bottom. Kind of looks like an Easter egg. Now we just need to add the back. So where this line ended, go up here and then draw another curved line and connect it. And if you want to add a little back piece of this lid, just curve a line like that. Good, so now we have drawn him. I would suggest that you get your colored pencils and color him. And the colors that you will need are green, pink, some brown, some gray, and some black. So let's color him. And there you have it, Baby Yoda. I hope you have a great May the 4th, and may the Force be with you. Goodbye.